Super Shopper is back to take you to the second floor of Isfahani Center where an extensive collection of jewelry awaits us. Now once you step in here, you realize why this place is called Anmol. The collection is enormous and exquisite. For example, you come in here, you have these stone jewelry which you can wear for a lovely occasional party outing, which is not too very grand but then simple and nice as well. And you walk with me over here. These are called second earrings, which means that it not just specializes in accentuating the first hole but even the second hole. See, it connects. This is my favorite personally, but then this place actually specializes in bridal jewelry. Now I have with me Mr. Manoj. Hi Manoj.
Hi Manoj.
You can just guide me through. See, I'm not the bride here, but I'm going to be the bridesmaid. Then what kind of collection do I go for?
It depends upon your outfit first of all. If you bring your outfit, we design according to your outfits. Or like just earrings alone. We have only few earrings only for the bridesmaids, like just like jhumkas.
Oh, lovely.
The
Can
heavy
I see
jhumkas
that?
over here.
Ah, so pretty. Wow, this is really pretty. Now what about people who are not very fond of these heavy long danglers? So this isn't really heavy too.
It's not too heavy because it's just a hollow silver.
Yeah.
And if the customers are not comfortable with the heavy danglers, we just reduce the length. Like for example, in this we can just remove this part and we can just join over here, or we can remove this part, we can just make a stud over here. Anything like however the customers feels comfortable, we do according to that jewelry.
But what is the kind of jewelry that's very famous here?
Here is the main thing, Kundan as well as the Polki sets, which are most famous. Like Polki over here, this one.
Why is it called Polki?
It's Polki in sense like uncut stone it is.
Okay.
It's like uncut diamond. The wastage of the stones, like wastage of the diamonds and all, it has been converted into a Polki stones.
Oh, okay.
And with the semi-precious ruby and the emerald stones over here.
Beautiful.
And if you like this set and if you say my outfit color is totally pink, we change the entire stones also into the pink and give it to the customers.
How did this whole tradition of Kundan and this kind of set come about?
The Kundan and the Polki has come out after the movie Devdas.
Really?
Yes, it's a plan.
Okay.
Because before Devdas, no one knows it's like what the Polki stones is, what the Kundan stone it is. But once the Devdas movie has come, it has been just rocking from that time. And most of the customers.
That actually piques my curiosity. What is Kundan? What is Polki? What is the final difference between the two?
Polki is just a transparent stone, and Kundan is a glass stone. Glass.
Okay.
And
Could you show me one Kundan just
Kundan,
to?
yes.
Okay, so you mean to say that this is glass
Yeah,
stone?
glass
Okay.
stone.
What are those called that you wear around the waist?
It's just we say it's a hip chain, or else even we can say Kandora in Hindi.
This is called Khandora.
Kandora,
Okay.
over your side once.
Pretty. Very cute.
Same work which is done in Kundan, also same over here.
Oh, that's in Kundan. Okay. Wow, exquisite. The Kundan hip chain was intricately designed and looked quite flashy. I just couldn't take my eyes off it. The other hip chain was very simple and chic, elegant, understated, graceful. There are many more Anmol pieces that caught my eye. Apart from Kundans and silver necklaces, I was left wondering whether to pick up stone-studded clips or dazzling bangles. From toe rings to belly rings, I couldn't resist picking up at least one of those accessories. You can bring your chosen sari or dress and place an order for custom-made jewelry that will go with the dress as well as your taste. Whoa, that's quite a lot of shopping for today, right? I really have no courage to check my bank account because I'm convinced that it's going to show me zero balance. That reminds me of the famous book Confessions of a Shopaholic, where the lead female character goes bankrupt after doing a whole lot of shopping for the day. I can so relate to it now, and so I'm going to pick that book at one of the landmark stores in Nungambakkam. Landmark emerged in 1987 with its first store in this posh neighborhood, Nungambakkam. Walk in and you're welcomed by a wide range of books, over 1,20,000 titles across the different sections. There it is. Hooray! Now when you find so many books stacked away into so many different shelves, you tend to feel really very guilty. Now, life is not just about looking beautiful, it's also about gaining knowledge, right? I realized this after meeting one 6th standard boy over here who just keeps coming here so very often to read books. Now that makes me feel really very guilty for not finding enough time to read books at all. Come, let's meet him. Hi Nihal. Okay, so this is Nihal for you, who keeps coming here how often?
Maybe twice or thrice a month.
Okay, and what kind of books do you read?
Fiction and mostly fiction and kind of old like Shakespeare.
Okay, who's your favorite author?
My favorite authors would be Arthur Conan Doyle and Dan Brown.
Wow. So what do you think is the book that is a must read for all of us, irrespective of our age?
I could say about one book that would be Holmes. Sherlock Holmes. It is based on our intellect and also it makes a nice read.
Really? Okay. So because you've told me this and you've recommended this book, I am going to be walking away with an Arthur Conan Doyle's Sherlock Holmes. Log on to landmarkonthenet.com to buy books online. Most books come with up to 40% discount and all products are shipped free. Now, if you are an avid book reader, avid lover of books, you need to have this. This is called an LED book light. So what you do is you just have a switch over here, you just switch it on and then you have this LED light, so you can cozy up onto your bed and read the book with a lovely LED light on and not disturb anyone, so you won't have your mom screaming behind you saying close that book and go to sleep. Now Landmark doesn't just cater to bookworms but even non-bookworms. Now where do I fall? Well, I think I pretend to be a bookworm but actually I'm not. But here is a self-confessed non-bookworm, Soumya. So Soumya, what do you come to Landmark for then?
If you see, the first thing I come to Landmark, I'm looking for their bags, which is, I'm like crazy for bags, and actually the bag which I'm carrying right now is purchased from Landmark itself.
Okay, that is really a pretty one.
And being into complete arts and everything, I come in for the stationery, for their paints and for brushes and everything. And also I come in for their 5-subject notebooks since I'm a college student. And yeah, pretty much.
Yeah, I think so. You are this person who goes crazy about stationery items.
Very much.
Yeah.
Completely into stationery.
Now you don't have to feel feel bad if you don't have a garden or a courtyard where you can have lots of plants and admire the beauty of it. Now, this kind of plant can be hung on the wall. This can become a central piece of art inside your home. It's quite easy to maintain as well, because all you have to do is take this cup out. Once in 3 days, you just have to water it, because it has moss stuffed inside and the moss will absorb the water, so you won't have water spilling out like that. It's quite easy, isn't it? Easy to maintain and also adds some amount of artistic value to your home. More easy to wear stuff coming up soon after the break.